In this lesson, we are going to explore semantic elements in HTML. Semantic elements are super important because they give meaning to the structure of your web pages. They help browsers, search engines, and developers understand the layout and purpose of each part of the page. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to use important semantic tags like header, footer, article, section, and more. So let's get started. What are semantic elements? Semantic elements describe the meaning of the content inside them. Example: header. Header clearly indicates the top part of the page. Footer. Footer shows the bottom part. Section. Section groups related content. Article. Article is used for independent, self-contained content. Element usually contains website logo, navigation menu, and headline. So let's give an example. H1, my website. Now href home, so we can have our navigation here. About, contact. So it seems like this. Of course we can make this look even better, but I am not going to show CSS in this lesson. So let's just learn the semantic elements in this lesson. Give an example for footer. So footer usually includes copyright, contact information, or social media links. So let's give an example. P. All rights are reserved. A tag. Maybe we can have privacy policy as well. A tag again. Facebook, Instagram, or X. Let's say Twitter. So of course the footer is not going to seem like this, so let's give a very basic style. Display, flex, justify content, center. So let's also give align items, center, so it looks even better. Article element. Article is used for the independent, self-contained content. So inside article we can have a blog post, news article, or a description of something. So let's give an example as well. H2, how to bake a cake, and P, this guide will help you bake a cake. So it is how it seems in the browser, but of course you can use CSS and make it look even better. So section. The section is used to group content. So we can have inside section a service list, category, related articles, and more. So let's give an example. H2, our services. UL, Lee, web design, SEO optimization, content writing. So inside section we have a group related content. So we have some other semantic elements as well. For example, now. So now defines navigation links. We use this inside the header. We also have main. Main defines the main content of the page. We have a site. A site defines site content like advertisements or sidebars. We have figure, and figure groups images with captions. So let's give an example using this. Header H1, my website, and inside let's use now a href home, blog, content, and main. So inside main we have a section H2, latest articles, article tag H3, 5 tips for learning HTML. So below P, paragraph, learning HTML is fun and rewarding. So inside article, let's have another article. Semantic HTML tags. Semantic HTML tags are section, article, header, footer, and more. So below this main, we can have a site, H4, H3, related links, UL, Lee, A, CSS basics, and one more, JavaScript introduction. And let's have footer, key 2025 my website, all rights reserved. So it seems like this, and if we inspect, we see header tag, main tag, and inside main we have section, article, we have a site tag, and we have footer tag. I did not use any CSS to make this website look better, but if you try to add CSS and make this website look better, please share me the code and I am going to check and comment you. You can do this using codepen.com, and if you can share me the link, I am going to look at it and give me my feedback. I hope that this tutorial is useful for you and you learned something new. If you liked the video, please subscribe my channel, like this video and comment. Have a good day. See you in the next lesson.